In 2025, selecting the appropriate color scheme for your bedroom is paramount in establishing a sanctuary of tranquility. The judicious application of color possesses the remarkable ability to evoke profound emotional responses, cultivating an atmosphere of serenity and equilibrium. This exploration delves into the 10 most captivating bedroom color palettes poised to dominate 2025, accompanied by insightful guidance on seamlessly integrating these hues into your personal haven. Number 1. Rumors by Bear. Rumors is a muted gray with soft undertones that exudes understated elegance, making it a versatile choice for any bedroom style. Its subtle tone allows it to blend seamlessly with a variety of decor themes, from modern to classic. For a chic and restful vibe, pair Rumors with crisp white bedding and metallic accents, such as silver lamps or gold-framed mirrors, to add a touch of modern sophistication. To further enhance the cozy ambiance, incorporate a plush area rug and soft-textured throw pillows, ensuring the room feels inviting and serene. Number 2. Cromartie by Farrow and Ball. Cromartie, a gentle gray-green inspired by the tranquility of nature, evokes feelings of peace and balance, making it perfect for a calming bedroom retreat. This versatile shade works beautifully with light wood furniture and leafy plants, creating a refreshing and natural aesthetic. To maximize the airy and serene feel, pair Cromartie with sheer curtains that allow soft, diffused light to enter the space, enhancing the room's overall tranquility and elegance. Number 3. Sunswept Sand by Valspar. Sunswept sand is a warm, sandy beige that radiates comfort and tranquility, making it an ideal color for a cozy and inviting bedroom. Its earthy tones pair effortlessly with wicker furniture and earth-tone textiles, creating a relaxed bohemian vibe. For added warmth and texture, incorporate layered cushions, soft throws, and natural fiber rugs, transforming your bedroom into a soothing sanctuary that feels both grounded and stylish. Number 4. Cinnamon Slate by Benjamin Moore. Cinnamon slate is a rich, earthy brown that brings a sense of depth and warmth to your bedroom, making it feel like a snug retreat. This bold hue pairs beautifully with terracotta decor and textured fabrics, such as knitted blankets or woven baskets, for an earthy yet stylish look. Enhance the rich tones of cinnamon slate with warm ambient lighting, like soft bedside lamps or fairy lights, to create a welcoming and restful atmosphere. Number 5. Mochi by Little Green. Mochi, a creamy off-white shade, is synonymous with softness and tranquility, making it perfect for minimalist bedroom designs. Its warm undertones pair beautifully with beige, taupe, and white linens, creating a layered and serene look. To add a touch of natural charm, incorporate wood accents, such as a bed frame or nightstand, ensuring the space feels balanced and inviting without overwhelming the simplicity of the design. Number 6. Tissue Pink by Benjamin Moore. Tissue pink is a delicate blush tone that brings a chic and calming vibe to your bedroom. This soft pink is versatile enough to create a nurturing and stylish space. Pair tissue pink with gold accents like picture frames or light fixtures, and complement it with soft gray furniture for a sophisticated look. For added cohesion, scatter a few pastel-colored throw pillows and add a cozy area rug to complete the soothing atmosphere. Number 7. Chartreuse by Sherwin-Williams. Chartreuse is a vibrant yellow-green that brings energy and freshness to your bedroom while maintaining a relaxing vibe. This unique shade evokes the beauty of nature, making it an ideal choice for those who love bright yet soothing spaces. Pair chartreuse with crisp white bedding and natural wood accents for a balanced look. To add depth, consider incorporating earthy tones like terracotta or muted browns through decor elements like rugs or throw pillows. This cheerful hue can instantly uplift your space, making it a lively yet serene retreat. Number 8. Rock Crystal by Behr. Rock crystal is a cool, icy white that delivers a crisp and clean aesthetic to any bedroom. Its fresh tone creates a bright and airy space, making it an excellent choice for minimalist designs. Balance rock crystal with bold, dark furniture or colorful artwork to introduce depth and character. Add natural textures, like a wooden bench or soft knitted throw, to keep the room from feeling too stark. Number 9. Malabar by Sherwin-Williams. Malabar is a deep, rich blue that promotes serenity and sophistication, making it perfect for a restful bedroom. This timeless hue pairs effortlessly with silver accents like metallic lamps or picture frames to enhance its elegance. For a luxurious look, use crisp white linens and velvet throw pillows, creating a space that feels both calming and refined. Number 10. Oxford Street by Behr. Oxford Street is a dark gray with subtle blue undertones that combines drama with tranquility, making it a bold yet peaceful choice for a bedroom. This sophisticated shade pairs well with velvet bedding and soft lighting, such as pendant lights or dimmable bedside lamps, to create a layered, elegant look. Add textured elements like faux fur throws or tufted headboards to further enrich the ambiance. Your bedroom is your personal sanctuary, and these trending colors for 2025 offer endless possibilities for creating a calm and restful space. From the soft minimalism of mochi to the dramatic tranquility of Oxford Street, each shade brings its unique charm and serenity. Whether you prefer muted neutrals, earthy tones, or deep blues, these colors will help you transform your bedroom into the ultimate retreat for relaxation and rejuvenation.